guys, welcome to Alisha's Little Corner. Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening an Alisha toy. As you know, my name is also Alisha, and here it says her name is also Alisha. Alisha. And so today I'm going to be opening her, and it says it's a deluxe styling head. So let's get opening. Pretty big. Wow. And now I just gotta get this part out. Got them. Here I have the Alisha styling head, and I also have the accessories. There's a hairdryer, glasses, 2 rings, 2 hair clips for the tool, and there's also 2 here. And you can also wear these clips. There's a lipstick, and there's also a little brush. Now let's open this toy. Oh yeah, and there's also some earrings here. Let me get them. Oh my god. Here the earrings are. They're nice and purple. They would look nice. And here's also a little cardboard piece that the earrings are on. It says Alisha. Let me get this down here. There's more. Let me open this one. There, I got this one. This. This. And now I got the Alisha toy. Look at its shoulders, and it also has a little necklace. So I'm gonna has a little love heart on it. Now let's accessorize. Oh my gosh. These are pretty cool. And here's some rings for us because she doesn't have any hands to put them on. Let's put some lipstick on her. That looks nice. I think we can put the earrings on her. Let's try. Earrings. Aw, they don't fit on her. She has no holes. So I guess they're for us? I don't know. Let's brush her hair. Oh yeah, there's also a little bob in here. Take it out so I can brush her hair. There we go. How to brush her hair. She has loads of tangles. She looks so nice, doesn't she? Let's dry her hair. And here's the earrings. Put them down right here. Earrings. Go. The two clips for her. I'm gonna put them on and see how she looks. To open it. Ooh, there's one right there. And now let's put this one on the other side. Doesn't that look cool? Now let's put some more lipstick on. Oh, and as you can see, she has pink lipstick. Let's put the lipstick down. And she doesn't really want these clips in, so let's put them back. This one. Let's put these clips in. Gonna put them in my hair. Here's the black one. It kind of matches with my hair. Take them out. These are pretty cool. Let's put these clips as well. There's all those clips. And now the rings. I have one pink one. Put it on. Pink one. And also the blue one. I'm so excited.